Got a PNG that's way too heavy and you need a JPG? Fast, without uploading it anywhere sketchy? Watch this. I'm converting a PNG to JPG on FlipCaps, right in the browser. Head to flipcaps.net, search PNG to JPG and open the tool. Drag your PNG in, or drop a whole folder. It handles batches just fine. If you want, slide the quality up or down to balance file size against how sharp it looks. And just like that, it's converted. Here's the part that matters most. Your image never gets uploaded anywhere. The conversion happens right here, locally, in your browser, on your own device. So even your private photos stay private. That's it. Free to use, no sign-up, no watermark slapped on your image. If this helped, like and subscribe, and check out the other tools on FlipCaps.